Wild animals like the elephant and the cheetah entering human habitat has been frequently observed in the past few months. A wild elephant was seen in a populated area on the outskirts of Siliguri on Friday morning. The elephant casually moved around the area for some time before taking off for the jungle, which is in close proximity. Fortunately, nobody was harmed while the animal was there. A cheetah had injured some forest guards in the same area before being tranquilized. A tusker had also entered the city in the year 2016 and caused some damage before it was tranquilized by foresters and taken away. Two drug traffickers, one a woman, were arrested from a house in Matigara by the Siliguri Metropolitan Police. 45 kilograms of cannabis and a large amount of cash was recovered from them. The duo were trafficking the drugs from this house for a while. They were arrested after the police got a tip-off. The accused was produced at the Siliguri court.
মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী আমাদের মমতা ব্যানার্জি আছেন, উনি যে ড্রাইভগুলো আমাদেরকে বলছেন, ডিজিপি সাহেব আমাদেরকে ইনস্ট্রাকশন দিচ্ছেন, ওই হিসাবে আমরা ড্রাইভগুলো কন্ডাক্ট করতে যাচ্ছি।